This is a portable charger fan. We can see it cannot work. It's not working. Now I'm going to charge it. It's also not charging. It's not charging using a type C port. Okay. Now I am going to check it. Where is the problem? I am opening the fan. There are 4 screws. It's made in China, but quality is good. You can see here is 3 battery and 1 circuit. Now I'm going to check the circuit first. It's switching but cannot work. I'm checking the battery first. Battery got voltage. The battery got 3.9 voltage. Type B is working. Type B is working. Type C is not working. I don't know why. It's charging but not switching. Maybe the circuit is okay. Now just the battery is 4 volt is ready. It's 4 voltage. Now again I'm trying to check because I charged the battery. This is the motor. Here is 2 motor. Here is 2 motor. It's also not working. It's also not working. I have to check the motor because this motor got 1 sensor. Voltage is okay, but it's not working. For this case, I have to take out the motor first and have to check. Circuit may be okay. Here is 3 screw, and here also have 1 screw. I'm taking out all the screw. Now it's okay. It's open ready. Now here is another motor, brushless motor. This one is brushless motor. It's very difficult to take out. It's not so easy. It's one time. For this case, it's not so easy. Here inside got one lock. Inside got one lock. I have to take out the lock first. I'm checking out the lock. This is the lock. This is the lock for the fan. Here. This lock for this fan. Okay. Now I have to take out this motor coil. Here is 1 coil and 1 sensor. Look. It's broken ready. The circuit broken ready. Mr. Ujjwal Baroi break down this circuit. He got lots of energy. Now I am resoldering it. have to reconnect the circuit. I am reconnecting the circuit. Now the circuit is okay. Now the circuit is okay. I am resoldering all legs, all coil terminal. Now I am fixing back it. I'm fixing back the coil. Now I have to fix the fan also. I'm fixing back the fan. Need to lock the fan. It's okay, very easy. Need to lock the fan using this locker. Okay, I lock it again. It's locked ready. It's locked ready. Now I am going to check the fan, fix back everything. I'm sure it will work. I'm fixing back everything. No need to check. I know it will work. This motor for motion. This is the moving motor. It's help to move the fan right and left side. Okay, now fixing the circuit. This is the battery socket. Okay, look, the fan is running. The fan is running. It's working well. Now I have to fix back all everything. Thank you for watching the video. It's Brother Electronics Micro to Joshua. If you want to contact with us, please check the comment. There you can get the link and you can get the number. It's a Brother Electronics Micro to Joshua. Everything have to fix nicely. Now it's okay. Now it's okay. Thank you for watching the video. Everything are working. This one also moves are also working.